वालेकुम। आज एक छोटा सा टॉपिक है, जस्ट a simple mechanism that how insulin secretes from the cell. When the glucose increases in the blood at a certain level, glucose goes inside the cell and secretes the insulin. Then insulin decreases the glucose into the blood. There are many receptors like GLUT1, GLUT2, GLUT3, GLUT4 at different points, like some present in the liver, some present in the intestine, some present in kidneys. When glucose attaches at the GLUT receptors present on the cell, it will open glycolysis, glucose cycle will be start, and it will be starting, and glucose 6-phosphate and intracellular ATP increases. When the intracellular ATP increases, it will closes the potassium channels. When potassium channel close, it will stimulate the calcium channels open. Calcium influx increases, and the calcium goes from outside to inside the cells, and it will secrete the insulin. When insulin secretes from the cell into the blood, it will decreases the glucose level in the blood.